In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a color in Davinci Resolve. First, go to the color page. The color page is where all the magic happens for color correction and grading. You will notice a sleek layout filled with various tools designed specifically for color adjustments. This is important because this page allows you to manipulate the colors in your video with precision. Once you're on the color page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You will see options like color wheels, curves, and various other tools. This setup is crucial for achieving the look you want in your project. Now, select the clip you want to change. You should see your timeline above the color page with all your clips laid out. Click on the clip you want to work with. This is essential because the changes you make will only apply to the selected clip. Ensure that you have the correct clip highlighted before moving forward. As you select the clip, you might notice its thumbnail changing to indicate it's active. This confirmation helps you know you're on the right track. Next, open the Color Wheels panel. This panel is usually located on the left side of the color page. When you open it, you will see several color wheels representing shadows, midtones, and highlights. Each wheel is a powerful tool for adjusting specific ranges of color in your clip. The ability to manipulate these ranges offers you great flexibility in your color grading process. Once you have the Color Wheels panel open, take a moment to appreciate how these controls will allow you to fine-tune the look of your video. Now adjust the hue slider to shift the overall color. The hue slider is typically found within the Color Wheels panel. As you move this slider, you'll notice the colors in your clip change in real time. This is important because altering the hue can dramatically affect the mood and tone of your video. For instance, shifting towards warmer tones can evoke a sense of warmth and comfort, while cooler tones can create a more distant feeling. Make small adjustments and watch how these changes impact your clip. After that, adjust saturation to make the color stronger or weaker. The saturation control allows you to enhance or reduce the intensity of the colors in your clip. Increasing saturation will make colors pop, while decreasing it can give a more muted, subtle look. This step matters because the right saturation level can make your visuals more engaging. As you adjust this setting, keep an eye on your clip to ensure the colors are balanced and appealing. You'll find that even slight tweaks can yield significant results. Finally, adjust temperature and tint for warmer or cooler tones. These controls are key for fine-tuning the overall color balance of your clip. The temperature slider shifts colors toward blue or yellow, while the tint slider adjusts the green or magenta bias. Getting these settings right is crucial for achieving the desired atmosphere in your video. Be mindful of how these adjustments interact with each other, as they can enhance or counteract the changes you've made earlier. Take your time with this step as it can significantly impact the final look of your project. With that done, you can confidently apply your color changes. Remember, color grading is an art form that takes practice. Enjoy experimenting with these tools to create stunning visuals in Davinci Resolve.